So we are fresh off the course. And yeah, what I was saying is whatever you think hard is, competitive golf is ridiculously hard. And it's even worse when you are playing absolutely terrible. Yeah, I would honestly rate my game right now probably at a D. What I just went out there was so just inconsistent. I mean, off the first tee, I go way right. And I'm thinking like my miss is usually way left. So off the first tee, I go way right. And it was a push cut. So it was far right. So I'm like, whatever. I tried to get up and down and it did not work. And I bogeyed, but the guy I was playing also bogeyed. So whatever. Second hole, you have to have a pretty nice, it's sort of like a 230 carry over the water, par 5. And I hit my drive way right again. It's a par 5 though, so I recover and I have like 140-yard shot into the green, third shot. And I hit it what I thought was perfect, and it kicks back and right into the bunker, and I end up making a par and he makes a birdie. So now I'm one down. Third tee shot, crazy hard, but I'm thinking like you have to be able to cut the ball off the tee. So I'm thinking I've just hit pretty much 2 straight cuts. What could go wrong? I go left. I'm like, bro, nuts. So, okay, I'm 2 down. And the next one is a par 3. I actually hit a pretty good shot, about pin high, and I actually won that hole. But then we're back on a par 4, and you just pretty much have to hit this one straight. It's a short par 4, 350. I take out a 5-wood, and I'm thinking I kind of hit a draw at this club. So just swing easy, and I'll just have a nice little wedge in. And what do I do here? I hit a pull draw. So I have to then chip out and try to, so pretty much moral of the story is I was just playing so much scramble golf because my tee shots were so nuts. Like, you can't even make up some of the spots I was putting myself in. So with that being said, golf is competitive golf, tournament golf really brings out any flaws in your game. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the pressure. So any flaws in your game, tournament golf is really going to bring it out. And we saw that today. And yeah. So we'll figure out the tee shots and I don't know, get back at it. Get back at it. Like the video for my misery, please. Thanks.